Skim. I skim the foam off the broth. Thaw. I thaw frozen meat before cooking. Grease. I grease the baking pan to prevent sticking. Rub. I rub spices on the meat. Chop. I chop vegetables into small pieces. Carve. I carve the turkey for dinner. Slice. I slice bread for sandwiches. I dice onions finely for the recipe. Sprinkle. I sprinkle sugar on top of the cake. Stir. I stir the soup to mix all the ingredients. Boil. I boil water to cook pasta. Simmer. I let the sauce simmer on low heat. Bake. I bake cookies in the oven. Roast. I roast chicken with herbs. Grill. I grill vegetables on the barbecue. Fry. I fry eggs for breakfast. Whisk. I whisk eggs to make them fluffy. Blend. I blend fruits to make a smoothie. Season. I season the meat with salt and pepper. Marinate. I marinate chicken to add flavor. Peel. I peel potatoes before cooking. Grate. I grate cheese for the pasta. Pour. I pour milk into the bowl. Mix. I mix flour and water to make dough. Taste. I taste the sauce to check the flavor. Knead. I knead the dough until it's smooth. Steam. I steam vegetables to keep them healthy. Sauté. I sauté garlic in olive oil. Beat. I beat the eggs with a fork. Broil. I broil fish in the oven for a quick meal. Cool. I let the cookies cool on a rack. Cover. I cover the pot to let the food cook. Crush. I crush garlic cloves with a press. Layer. I layer the lasagna with noodles and sauce. Mash. I mash potatoes with butter. Melt. I melt butter in a pan. Preheat. I preheat the oven before baking. Roll. I roll out the dough for the pie. Measure. I measure ingredients with a cup. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.